Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to save your iPhone battery health with my instructions. If you edit some settings that I tell you, then your battery life and battery health is increased. So let's start the video. So firstly, introduce myself. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video without wasting time. Firstly, open your settings and scroll down. Tap on display and brightness. Scroll down. You can see here raise to wake up. So tap on toggle and turn it off. Go back. Now tap on accessibility and tap on display and text size. Scroll down. So friends, you can see here reduce white point. Reduce the intensity of bright colors. So select and reduce the white point. And you can see here also auto brightness option. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. So tap on toggle and turn it off. So go back. Now scroll down. You can see here battery option. Tap on battery and tap on battery health and charging. So you can see here optimized battery charging. So tap on toggle and turn it on. So go back. So scroll down and tap on privacy and security. So you can see here location services. Tap on location services and tap on toggle and turn it off. Location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable lost mode. So tap on turn off. So friends, when you need location services, then only turn on toggle and use the location services. So go back. Go back. Tap on Siri and search. Tap on listen for. So iPhone will listen for Hey Siri at the beginning of request. So tap on off. The information Siri uses to respond to your request will be removed from Apple servers. If you want to use Siri later, it will take some time to resend this information. Tap on turn off Siri because Siri is also use your battery in background. So go back. So friends, scroll down control center and you can see here dark mode option. So tap on dark mode and go back. Again open settings. So you can see here our display and graphics is in dark mode and use very low battery percentage. So go back and swipe up and close the all apps running in background of your iPhone. And now all the settings is fixed. Now your iPhone battery will increase our battery timing and our health. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to save our battery health within 2 minutes. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.